friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fana. Today let us see the 12th sum of exercise 11.1. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degrees to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. They are given that a lighthouse spreads red color light over a sector of angle 80 degrees and the distance is 16.5 kilometers, and they have told us to find the area of the sector. Therefore, substituting the values in the area of sector formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square, we get 80 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. On solving, we get 0 gets cancelled, 4 2s are right, 4 9s are 36. This can be written as 2 by 9 into 314 divided by 100 into 165 by 10 into 165 by 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 33s are 165, 2 2 gets cancelled, 2 into 157 is 314, 3 3s are 9, 3 11s are 33, 3 3s are 9, 3 11s are 33. Now we are left with 157 into 11 into 11 divided by 100. We know 11 into 11 is 121, so 157 into 121 is 157, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 7 5 1, adding them up 7 9 9 8 1 1899.7 divided by 100, placing the decimals, we get 189.97 kilometers square. This is the area of sector where the red light is present. Thank you. Happy learning.